So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Carinary Builders. In this video I am going to show you our 2019 Isuzu MU-X. This is the second one. The first one which you have saw in the previous video, that was the 2018 one, and we are going to rebuild the 2019 one and use the 2018 one as parts car. So as you have saw the damage, it is having some pretty bad damage, and the interior is not there. The steering is also damaged. So in the next video you are going to see the car itself. So if you like this type of car, so please make sure to like, follow and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.